Roasting vegetables is one of the easiest and tastiest ways to cook them. If you're feeding a large group of people and looking for a healthy side dish, here's the perfect way to get in your veggies. Since different veggies cook at different rates, we're going to have to cook them in different steps here, so be patient. Line 2 large rimmed baking sheets with foil and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Cut broccoli into about 1-inch florets, and reserve your stalks for some tasty broccoli slaw, maybe for your party. Now do the same with your cauliflower. Trim off your outer leaves and remove the pesky core. Toss broccoli and cauliflower florets with 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Season with salt and pepper. Spread mixture onto one of the prepared baking sheets. Roast in the preheated oven, gently stirring every 5 minutes. It should take about 20 to 30 minutes total. Trim your Brussels sprouts and cut them in half. Add them to the same large mixing bowl you just used. No need to clean it out. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Spread mixture onto the remaining prepared baking sheet. By keeping your Brussels sprouts and broccoli mixtures separate, you're ensuring that the pans are not overcrowded. Roast in the preheated oven, gently stirring every 5 minutes until broccoli and cauliflower are lightly browned and Brussels sprouts are dark brown. It should take about 20 to 30 minutes total. Meanwhile, cut red and yellow peppers into 1-inch pieces. Add to the same large mixing bowl you just used. Separate red onion quarters into pieces and add to the bowl. Stir well to coat vegetables in oil remaining in the bowl. Transfer mixture to one of your foil-lined baking sheets. Roast peppers in the hot oven, stirring every 5 minutes for about 15 to 20 minutes or until browned and tender. While peppers roast, place sweet potatoes in the mixing bowl. Add 3 more tablespoons of olive oil, remaining rosemary, and remaining thyme. Season with salt and pepper and stir to coat. Place your sweet potatoes onto one of your foil-lined baking sheets that you've already used. Roast sweet potatoes in the hot oven until tender, stirring every 5 minutes for 30 to 35 minutes. Remove roasted sweet potatoes and transfer to the serving bowl with the other veggies. Stir to mix. They are all done. Serve immediately or cover with foil to be reheated later. To test the doneness of your veggies, use a fork. They should be tender and pierce easily. Let us know your favorite way to eat vegetables and subscribe for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.